Okay, we're going on a little campground tour. There goes the gray wolf. Good morning. Here's our restroom and laundry right there. Looks like a nice front loader. Whoops. I'm gonna whip a Yui. I was going the wrong way. I've been informed. That's okay. Back by the restroom again. Oh, I did it again. Okay, we should have Crystal lead the way. Let's go by our campsite. Yep, this is by our campsite. Little windy today, but it's supposed to get nice again. Here's what I need, a good Cushman. Love it. Okay. Howdy. Dump station that away. Bathhouse closed for cleaning. We want to see what the blockhouse is. Built as the park's caretaker residence. Ah, cool, about 1940.